Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital may be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So this video will be another live trading explanation video from those things which are here in this ebook. Get this ebook, it's free. You can download it from the description. There is a link. It's a PDF file. You don't need to register or anything. You can download it immediately. So this PDF file contains all the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts like projections, candlestick math, etc., etc. Get this ebook; it's worth it. This is for free. You'll find the link in the description. So let me see if I can do some trades here. Okay, this market is going in an uptrend. Let me draw some Fibonacci line to understand where will be the end of this uptrend. Okay, the uptrend will end there. I'm going to do a put now because I'm pretty much sure that we are not going to break the 261.8 Fibonacci level. Because the Fibonacci level, the 261.8 is a strong one, yes, and I see already this little wick here, yes, this little wick on this level, which is telling me that we are not going to break this. So let's see what will happen. It will maybe close, yes, because I entered a little bit late, but I'm pretty much sure that we are not going to break it. So you see, we didn't broke it. So I can do another put here if we are going above this level and get a rejection. Okay, we touched it again. So, okay, a little bit more. So let me see another few seconds. I want to see more. Oh no. Okay. Okay, I waited. If we didn't broke through this level now, we will not break through this, and this is the reason why I did a put, because the problem is we have here another support level, and this support level will interact with this one, yes, but I'm pretty much sure that we are not going to break this because this, oh, we have already one touch, so it is probably that it will break, yes, maybe this will be a loss, yes, a losing trade. But maybe also not. No, this was in the money. This was really lucky. And now I'm going to do a call when I get a rejection here from this level in the upper direction. What is this? Why is it the wrong draw? Okay, so I was lucky. This one here. Okay, this was not there. Oh no, here. This one here. Let me see. It was there. No, it was below. So this was the reason here. You see, it was below. That was the reason why I have won this. Yes, because it was below this level. Okay, this was nice. So I have done 2 trades in 3 minutes. It was a little bit lucky, yes, but I was expecting something like this. Not that it would be so close, yes, but I was expecting that we are not going to break through this level, and this is a 261 Fibonacci level, yes. So let me see if I can draw here something else now. So here you see. Okay, so now I'm going to do a put. Yes, I'm going to do a put because I'm pretty much sure that we're heading down further because of this resistance level. We got a rejection from this resistance level, and this candlestick is telling me that we have huge selling pressure. And so I did a put here. The entry point is not the best one, yes, but because I'm expecting that we are heading down further, it will be okay. So let's see what will happen. Another 25 seconds. So let's see. Another 15 seconds. The price is not moving at all. I'm expecting that we are going deeper, yes. But price is not moving. I don't know why. Okay. And in the last second, it got down. Yes, this means because now we are getting in some kind of low volume market, and then they move always in the last few seconds. So I have done in 4 minutes 3 trades. Yes, and let me see if I can show you a few more because 5 minutes is a little bit short. I can do another one or two depending when I get them here some opportunity. Okay, let me see if I can draw this here in this manner. No, so it's going to get too close. Let me turn it around. So this, and then we are going to see where it's going to fit. So it fits here, no, here. Yes, this will fit here, you see. This is a swing low, this is a swing high, and we are here below this level. Yes, so let's see. Now we are above this level, and this is an engulfing candle. And if I get a rejection here from this level, I'm going to do a call. Yes, down. And if it shoots up, I'm going to do a call. Like I explained this in the ebook, the engulfing candle, we get a 50%. Okay, I'm going to do a call now because we got the 50% retracement here, yes. And then and if we get a rejection above, it will probably going above further. So, and this is the reason why I did a call, because we got the 50%, and this is exactly so explained in the ebook. Yes, and that is the reason why I'm telling you, get this ebook, watch the related videos so you understand candlestick patterns and on price action better. Yes, okay, this will be another really close one. Yes, you see it's going down now again, but I'm pretty much sure that this will be in the money. Okay, this was a draw. Yes, it was a draw. And now I'm not anymore so sure that we are going up. I'm going to do a put now because this candlestick here is telling me that we have finished here to going up and that we are going down now. Yes, so let's see what will happen. I'm really surprised that this was a draw. Yes, after so many moves, up, down, up, down, up, down, it got a draw. I'm really surprised, but no problem. So we have done another video. A draw is still better than a loss, yes, and so there's no problem. And I think after this I have done enough. Because you see the market is low volume now, the movements are really erratic, and to get always on the last few seconds your movement, and the candlesticks are tiny. So I think this video will be enough, and now it's going to consolidation area here on the 23.6 Fibonacci level. But let me see if I can do not another one, but I think there is not. Let me see if we are going to get some breakout or get back into the game here. I would do a call there, but at the moment it doesn't look like this. Yes, it looks more that we are here in no man's land between the 100 and the 61, and you see how we are in this, and soon there will be some kind of breakout. I would like to see some pattern, yes, but it's too low volume at the moment, and there will happen nothing. So let me see. Okay, I think this will be enough. I have done 4 trades, or maybe 5, I don't know. So I would say, no, it was 5 trades and 1 draw, yes. So, okay, this candlestick pattern is telling me that we are going up, but we have here some kind of consolidation area, and that means that everything can happen. And I'm pretty much sure that this will not go up. What is this? Okay, I think this was a sign. This is a sign from above that I have to close this video now. So I would say, if you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe. And if you have something to say, let me there a comment. And I would say stay safe and bye-bye, okay?